Wow, what a difference compared to yesterday. Everything is so white, covered by snow. And the long-awaited and predicted in the weather forecast, snow has come! And it's still falling! How beautiful! Lots and lots of snow. And I'm back at Lost Lagoon the very next day. As you can see, the scenery is vastly different. It's all white. Everything is snow covered. The weather prediction from a day before came to fruition, and Vancouver is experiencing the snowstorm. And I'm standing with my lovely umbrella because the snow is still falling and my camera is quite sensitive. I cannot have any water on it, so I'm just protecting it from the snow. The surface of the lagoon is covered by quite a thick layer of the snow. It's been snowing a few hours by now. Wow, and how fantastic! I just ran.
This has never happened before.
This has never happened before, and we are just at the shore of Lost Lagoon enjoying this enormous snowfall and everything covered by white. Yay! And the girls are enjoying the ice I was stepping on yesterday. There was of course no snowman. The whole surface of Lost Lagoon was just like this little patch of ice. Snowman standing by an igloo. And far in the distance is the platform when I walked into yesterday. Wow, you can actually see that it's melting. Yesterday it was much colder. And that's the ice hole I was showing yesterday. And today it also has water. I can see that the city of Vancouver installed some signage, danger, keep off ice. It's halfway covered by snow, but it is such a good idea that the sign is actually here. Because when I walked on the ice yesterday, I did not feel safe. I know many people were risking it, but it was definitely not safe. Danger, thin ice, keep off. But there's still some. Despite the warning, they will go and skate on ice and enjoy this rare opportunity to be skating on Lost Lagoon. Today I'm not going to be so brave and try to step on the ice.
Well, you can go a little bit on it on the edge, that's it.
I've been living in Vancouver for 23 years And honestly, I've never seen Lost Lagoon as it is right now. If you're not from Vancouver, you may actually wonder what is so special about Lost Lagoon being frozen. Well, let me tell you that on an average winter, the temperatures don't drop so much that the Lost Lagoon will actually freeze. And if snow makes it to downtown Vancouver, it normally lasts sometimes in a matter of a couple of hours. It's gone. And I have a surprise for you. I will go right at the rooftop of this tall building, located perfectly by Lost Lagoon, and right from the roof I will be filming. And now let's head to the building that I was showing you, to that rooftop, and see how the world looks from, I believe, 26th floor. It's a total winter wonderland. As far as we can see, everything is white. And this is how Vancouver looks from the rooftop of one of the West End's buildings. The little ice rink people made, and the Christmas tree. I am at the rooftop and it's very windy and super chilly now. But here it is. Some buildings of West End, Cole Harbour and Lost Lagoon this way. It's really a lot of snow. Wow. Ah, it's cold.
Come.
You're so big. Wow, look how tiny I am compared to you. I think it's time to go home. My hands are freezing. Wow. See you at home. See you at my next video. Bye.